Hello and welcome back to another video. In this problem we're asked, what is a mathematical model? So this is more of a descriptive problem, we don't really have to write much down, but the basic idea behind this is it's a description of a real life phenomena that is described through a function. We see this very commonly in the problems that we do in math, right? We have these standard problems where we're just looking at raw equations and numbers. And then we also have these problems that are using the topics that we've learned for real life examples, right? So we can use these specific linear equations, and we can also use them to represent the speeds of cars going in different directions. And we can use this exponential function just on its own, or we could use it to graph the growth of a bacteria colony. So once again, this is using functions and all the topics that we're learning in this course to describe things that are happening in real life, fictional or not.